Space is made up of E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, and the probability of E1 is 0.1, probability of E2 0.2, probability of E3 0.3, probability of E4 0.25, probability of E5 0.15. The summation is 1 because no other E6 or any other case is possible. So these are the exhaustive cases. Now A is made up of E1, E2, E5, B is made up of E3, E4, E5, C is made up of E2, E3, E4, E5. First of all, P of A, P of B, P of C, P of A complement, P of B complement, P of C complement. Yes, P of A equals to P of E1 plus P of E2 plus P of E5. Now according to list, P of E1 is 0.1 plus P of E2 is 0.2 plus P of E5 is 0.15. So P of A is 0.45. Yes. P of B. P of B is made up of E3, E4 and E5. So P of B is P of E3 plus P of E4 plus P of E5. That means 0.3 plus 0.25 plus 0.15. So P of B is 0.3 plus 0.25 means 0.55 plus 0.15 means 0.7. P of C. C is made up of E2, E3, E4, E5. So P of C is P of E2 plus P of E3 plus P of E4 plus P of E5. That means P of E2 0.2 plus P of E3 0.3 plus P of E4 0.25 plus P of E5 0.15. So P of C is 0.4 plus 0.347 0.9. 0.9. Yes. Now complement units. P of first of all, case is favorable to A complement. A includes E1, E2, E5. So A complement should include not E1, not E2 and not E5. So list starts from E3 and second case is E4. So probability of E complement will be P of E3 plus P of E4. That means 0.3 plus 0.25. That means 0.55. The alternative way to find P of A complement is P of A complement equals to 1 minus P of A. That means 1 minus 0.45 and 1 minus 0.45, that means 0.55. The same answer. Now B complement. B is made up of E3, E4, E5. So B complement should include E1, E2. So P of B complement is P of E1 plus P of E2. That means 0.1 plus 0.2 That means P of B complement is 0.3. Again, the alternative way to find P of B complement is 1 minus P of B. So it is 1 minus 0.7. Therefore, P of B complement is 0.3. Again, the answer should match. Now it is turn of C complement. Number 6. C complement. C is made up of E2, E3, E4, E5. So C complement is E1 only. Therefore, P of C complement equals to P of E1. That means 0.1. Alternative way, P of C complement is 1 minus P of C. That means 1 minus 0.9. So 0.1. The same answer. Now let us go for A union B. A union B. Union. Either A or B or both. What are the common members? E1, E2, E3, E4 and E5. That means A union B is a certainty. All 5 outcomes are there in the union of A as well as B. So P of A union B equals to P of E1 plus P of E2 plus P of E3 plus P of E4 plus P of E5. Yes, 0.1 plus 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.25 plus 0.15. So it comes to 1. That is case of certainty. Let us check the intersection. A intersection B. What is the common case between A and B? E1, no. E2, no. E3, no. E4, no. Only E5. So, the probability of A intersection B is probability of E5. That means 0.15. Now let us use intersection for calculation of P of A union B through the formula of general law of addition of probabilities. P of A union B equals to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. P of A is 0.45 plus P of B is 0.7 minus P of A intersection B is 0.15. 0.45 plus 0.7 equals to 1.15 minus 0.151. Let us take B union C complement. B union C complement. B union C complement. Yes, E1, E3, E4, E5. E1, E3, E4, E5. E2 is not there because E2 is neither in B nor in C complement. C complement. Yes. B union C complement. E1, E3, E4, E5. There is no E2. So probability of B union C complement equals to P of E1 plus P of E3 plus P of E4 plus P of E5. That means 0.1 plus 0.3 plus 0.25 plus 0.15. 4, 6, 5, 8. 0.8. Now, what about B intersection C complement? B intersection C complement. Is there any common outcome or common? There is no common outcome between B and C complement because C complement is made up of E1 and B is made up of E3, E4, E5. So, the probability of B intersection C complement is 0. Let us check. P of B union C should be according to general law of addition of probabilities. P of B union C is P of B plus P of C minus P of B intersection C complement. Yes, C complement. Check our list. What is P of B? Point. P of B is 0.7. Yes. P of B is 0.7 plus P of C complement 0.1 minus 0. Actually, we should use formula of special law of addition of probabilities because intersection is 0. So ultimately, P of B union C complement comes to 0.8. Got it?